Hello everyone. So this is probably about maybe 7 hours in, and here's all of the food scraps. They're not quite as broken down as I thought they would be, but I think I'm going to stop the process here. And here is the broth that I got. Nice color to it. And the last time that I tried it, it was quite sweet. And it is still fairly sweet. It definitely has a cabbage flavor. But I think that's fine. I don't mind that. Some people might, but I don't mind it. You definitely could let this go longer. I am deciding to pull the plug, and I will probably jar this up and freeze it. And then I will dispose of the remains accordingly. When it was going, it was probably 3 hours in or so, and the broth was much lighter. But I feel like you could probably get 2 or 3, steepings from the vegetables, and you could have various different broths at various different stages. Otherwise, this is what I have. I haven't salted it or anything, but that I think can come, when you're cooking. Otherwise, I think that's about all I have for you. Just wanted to show you the finished project, and I will talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye.